The old bouquet take me back to life.
Hello friends, do you want to create multiple frame AI shorts like what you watched for free? Let me show you how with Dreamina. First, sign up on Dreamina. If the tools aren't available in your region, you can use a free VPN like Windscribe or Proton VPN. Once inside, go to the AI video section and select Model 3.0. Let's start by testing the first frame option. This lets you attach one opening frame along with an image. Next, try the multi-frames option, where you can add up to 10 images. Since I'm using the free daily credits, I uploaded 3 pre-downloaded images to create a video about the Clink Prison Museum in London. It's best to upload matching images for smoother transitions. Then click Generate. The rendering takes a bit of time, but the results are worth it. Wow, the output looks great. Using prompts might make it even better, but even with images, it works really well. I downloaded the final video, added some music, and here's the result. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with more amazing AI tools.
Laying in a bed with the net on my knee, such a boring life, like a dead rose said. The old bouquet take me back to life.